I was a high school shop teacher, and this is where I landed after I retired. I taught for 23 years in Yoncalla. So this is where I landed when I didn't have a shop anymore. So it's an amazing thing. I mean, do you know the whole story of this place? It started out as called the Eugene Men's Club, and a group of old retired guys put a small wood shop in where the pool table is now in the main Campbell Center. Well, it was creating dust and all that, and it wasn't working out that well, so people decided that, well, let's see if we can build a shop. So the city said, yes, we can give you a place for $1 a year. And this room that we're in now was built with volunteer labor and donated materials. When it was opened up, Jim Fort was one of the first people here, and he says, well, it's a nice room, but it needs to be 3 times as big. So he started a second campaign to do the main part where all the equipment is now. And that opened a year later, also with volunteer labor and materials. His daughter came back to check on her father's legacy and looked up and said, oh, by the way, that's not my dad. So for about 40 years, we had a picture of somebody else that we don't know up here as Jim Fort, but she was kind enough to send us a picture of Jim. I'm just a firm believer in this as a community center. I've learned more from being here than I learned in 30-some years of teaching. Yeah, you know, we have probably 5 to 7 people here most of the time, sometimes more, and every once in a while there's more of the volunteers here than there are patrons, but there are 9 volunteers, 3 women and 6 men who basically keep the place going, and the whole place is magical. It's just so much fun to be here.
So if you're new and you come in here, we'll take you around the whole shop and we'll show you the equipment we have. We also do sell wood, and I'll show them some of the projects people are working on and ask them what they're wanting to do, and say, you know, because a lot of them are, oh, I don't know what I want to do, but I'd like to learn. So they come in here and they'll just ask for some of our expertise, and then they create their own projects. So currently, I'm not working on anything. I'm not kind of at a standstill, but it's because I do wall art. I gotta have that groove going, you know. And right now with the weather, I don't have the groove going. But I've done doors, and I do mostly wood art for your walls. Last year I did like 21 cutting boards, and I hope I never make another cutting board, but. I've been here about 3 years, and I've noticed a lot more women are coming in here now because they only thought it was for men's only. And it's just so exciting to see their faces. They take some of the classes that are here. It's nice to see them using the equipment because a lot of people are kind of afraid of the big equipment. But that's what we're here for. We're here to make sure that everybody is safe and we can teach you whatever you want to know. The best thing about this wood shop are the people that come in here. They are all different nationalities, personalities, all different ages, and it's just cool to see the projects they work on and the people themselves. To see them get so excited about something when they get done, they're like, wow, look what I created. So that's the best part of what's in this wood shop.